Hey everyone, welcome back with another session of SST. So I hope you all are doing well. So as we have been discussing that is maps, our guides. So today we will start the proceeding with the language of a map and the directions on a map. Now children, language. Now what's this language of a map? Now we know that human beings, we have got our own language. Now how come a map has got a language? Let's see. Now maps use different colors, different signs and different symbols to represent the various facts about a particular place. And all these colors, signs and symbols, all these are together called the language of a map. Okay, all these together, these are called the language of a map. Now if you see the colors on a map, how the colors? Now there are like certain colors, different colors are used to represent different physical features. If you see on a map. Okay, first green. So green color, it indicates forests and different plain areas. Alright, next we have that is blue color. We all know this, that is in the form of sky blue. So it indicates all the water bodies. It indicates all the water bodies such as oceans, rivers, seas, lakes, all these things. And if you see light brown color, it indicates different plateaus. Alright, and dark brown color, it indicates different mountains. Okay, and next we have that is the yellow. It indicates different kind of agricultural land or arable land that we can call it. Okay, now next we have that is the different signs and symbols. Yes children, now we find many conventional signs and symbols on a map. We usually come across such signs when we travel. So on the road, beside the roads, everywhere you will see different kinds of signs and symbols are there. Like you might have seen the signs of railway lines, bridges, dams, okay, then temples, church, mosque, all these, post offices, trees, grass, all these as you can see in this picture. So all these signs and symbols are used on a map to locate particular places, because it's not possible to write the name of everything on a small map. So with the help of these signs and symbols, these are the different languages of maps, and with the help of these, the cartographers different areas, and they try to locate different places in different areas. Okay, these are all the things. Now along with signs and symbols and colors, next we have that is the scale of a map. Now children, the thing is, the actual size of a place cannot be shown on a map. Okay, it's not possible to show the actual size of a place, how much it is, or what's the distance of that particular place, how much area. So it's not possible. So therefore a scale is used to represent the distance on a map. Okay, what's the actual distance? Now every map indicates its scale. It is usually written in the corner of a map. Now suppose if you see, for example, the distance between two cities is 100 kilometers. Okay, now on the map it's not possible to show 100 kilometers, is it? So it is shown as 1 centimeter. So we can say the scale here, it's like indicates 1 centimeter equal to 100 kilometer. Okay, now if you see the picture that I have given here, here the ratio suggests like 250 kilometer. So in that particular map, so 1 centimeter suggests 250 kilometer. Now you can take 100 kilometer also, you can take 250 kilometer, you can take 500 kilometer, you can take 1 centimeter equal to 1000 kilometer. Depends on how big is the map and what is the total distance and how much area you want to show in that. Okay, so on the basis of all these things, you can make the scale according to it. So in short, if we say, the scale shows the ratio between the distance on the map to the actual distance on the ground. So it's the ratio between the distance on the map to the actual distance on the ground. As simple as that. Okay. Now the last one that we have, that is the different directions, that we call it. Different directions on a map. Okay. Now if you see, children, we know that north, south, east and west are the 4 major directions. Now it's easy to find out the directions on a map. The top of the map is the north and the bottom of the map is the south. On the right lies the east and on the left lies the west. As simple as that. Now, but between the major directions, there lies the sub-directions. Okay, there lies the sub-directions. And which are the sub-directions? Now, northeast, that is the area between north and east, is termed as northeast. Second, that is southeast. So, likewise, the area between south and the eastern part, that is the southeast. Same way, if we move on to the west, so the southwest, that is the area between south and west, is considered as southwest. And likewise, if we see on the top, the area between north and west, that portion, that is like northwest. Okay. So if we look at the map of India, alright, we find that Jammu and Kashmir, it lies in the north. And if we see down, Kerala lies in the south. And here in the east, if we see, Arunachal Pradesh is in the east. And we have Rajasthan in the west. So this way, these directions are like useful to us. And this is the way how these directions are used on a map. Okay. So that's it for now. Until the next time with some other topics. Bye bye.